Hello and welcome to Bare Beauty Basics. If you like this makeup look, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you a step-by-step way of how you can do this easy, glowy, winter-friendly makeup very quickly when you want to look put together. So I've already primed my face. I have a moisturizer going on and also a sunscreen, which is very important. And now I'm going to just correct the areas that need some correction, like the dark areas under my eyes, concealing the acne marks. And I'm using a very close to my skin color concealer. This is by Swiss Beauty and the number is 06. Okay, so I'm using this color to just cover all the dark spots on my face. I'm using very little amount. I always keep repeating that you need to use very tiny amount of concealer, because if you end up using more, it tends to look cakey, it tends to crease a lot more. And start with a tiny amount and build up. You can add more if you want more coverage, but make sure that you use with very small amounts. And I'm using a very small fluffy brush. This is by Real Techniques and this is a very good concealer brush, very helpful in blending out concealer seamlessly. The bristles are short but fluffy, and it's very handy in blending anything. You can use it to contour your face, like any kind of detailing is very easy with this brush. This is called the Deluxe Crease Brush. This is an eyeshadow brush, but I use it to blend my concealer using this brush, and this works beautifully. So once I've blended all of it, I take my time. There's no need to hurry unless you know you are if you are in a rush. I would recommend, just skip a liquid concealer. Just go for a tinted moisturizer or tinted foundation, a serum foundation. I'm using a skin tint by Kiro here, just to give a little more, add a little more coverage to my face. And this is a very nice moisturizing daily dewy serum foundation. It has hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin C, it has niacinamide, and I'm using the color Sun Beige 02. And I've tried like little amount of products from Kiro, and I have their lip gloss, sorry, not the lip gloss, the lip oil, a stick blush, and this serum foundation. And I really love it because it's not drying at all. It's very moisturizing. It feels very light on the skin, and I'm using this fluffy stippling brush to blend it all in. This is by Pro Art, and the number of this brush is PP17. You can find this brush on Amazon. This is a duo fiber stippling brush, and this is so soft and it blends any kind of base makeup so easily. It gives a very nice polished dewy effect on the skin. It just blends in any kind of foundation very seamlessly. This has become an absolutely favorite brush of mine very quickly, because of how soft the bristles are. And it blends very beautifully. Now once I have the base done, I'm using a lighter color of the same concealer by Swiss Beauty, and this time I'm using number 03, just to use as a highlight on areas where I need little bit of that a brightness. So I'm using the color 03, which is two shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm using it to highlight areas where it makes a difference. So I'm also going to add a different take on the blush, where I'm blending in my blush with this concealer. So I'm using this blush by O&O Beauty, and this is a beautiful cream blush. It is called Brunch Date. And what I'm doing with the stippling brush is first blending out the blush, and then blending that one spot of concealer which is on top of my of my cheekbones, and blending it in, so that way you blend in your blush with your concealer, and your face looks very natural. The it doesn't look you know it doesn't l- it doesn't demarcate a different area for your blush. And I'm taking a smaller brush to blend in the smaller areas of the concealer. So I'm going back to that same concealer brush and blending in the lighter color near my eyes, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, just to add a little more brightness and give it the illusion of a sharper nose, a little bit on top of my cupid's bow, and also on the corners of my mouth, because that tends to look a little darker. And that's it, just making sure everything is blended very seamlessly. And look how natural the blush looks if you use this technique. um, Dot in the blush and the concealer together, and make sure that you blend the blush first and then start blending in the concealer. So that way I also feel that I need a little more hint of color, and I'm going back to the blush and adding a little more. And you can use the same brush, you don't need to switch brushes all the time. You can use the same brush to blend in all the color and give your face a nice flushed look. This is an absolute beautiful blush. If you're looking for a cream blush, please try out the O&O Beauty blush in the color Brunch Date. I see that they have a lot of colors in this kind of blushes, dome blushes, but the color Brunch Date it is going to be so universally flattering. And now to add a little more highlight on the face, I'm using this palette, this highlighter palette by Simplynam, and it is called Cosmic Glow. This is a very big, beautiful duo palette where it has a champagne shade of the highlighter and a purpley lavendery kind of a shade of the same creamy highlighter. The best part about this highlighter is that it doesn't have any chunky shimmery particles. It's so natural on the skin. It's just going to give you that ethereal glow on the face without looking makeupy, without highlighting texture. It doesn't accentuate the texture on the face. It looks so beautiful, seamless, gives you a very ethereal Renaissance painting kind of a skin look. And it gives that moonlit kind of an effect to your face. I just absolutely love this highlighter. It's a cream highlighter and hence works very well with other cream products. Today I'm not using any powder products on my face, and that's why this highlighter sits in so well. To do my eyes, I'm just using a simple brown pencil by Mama Earth. You can use anything that you have. The products that I'm using is not something that you must use. It's your choice. You can use anything that you have. I'm just sharing my experience of using these products that I use almost daily now. And this is a very good quality kajal. It's a brown, and they have many colors, but I have black and brown, and it is very very creamy, but it is long stay, it doesn't smudge easily. So I'm lining my upper lash line very very closely, not making a thick line, and but just roughly. You don't have to be very precise, because I'm just going to use my fingers and just blend it in, just smudge it out a little. I'm also pulling out the liner a little so that I create a very tiny wing. First, I start by pulling in a small wing and then take the liner inwards, so that I have a control over the shape of the wing. So it's important that you decide the size of the wing first and then go inwards. If you do the other way around, your wing may become too big, and you may lose control on the size of the wing. So that's a tip that I have. First, draw out the wing. If you're happy with it, go ahead and line the entire eye line of your upper lids. and then smudge it with your fingers. It's very easy to smudge in. You don't need a precision brush for this. It's easier to do it with your fingers because the warmth of your fingers melts the product in and gives it a very, very seamless blend. And now time to curl the lashes. I'm using this lash curler by Color Bar. Um, I'm not a big fan of this lash curler. It is kind of too big for my eyes, or it doesn't really fit. The shape of this curler is a little weird for my eye shape. I am on the lookout for a good quality eyelash curler. I will update you guys if I find something. But this is what I have currently, so I'm just using it. And I'm using this mascara by Swiss Beauty. This is pretty good. I didn't expect to like this in the beginning as I got it. It is a non-clumping, lightweight, volumizing mascara by Swiss Beauty, and I really like it because it does what it claims to do. It is non-clumping. It is very, very easy to use. It gives you the illusion of um, you know, thick lashes with just one or two coats. And I'm using a lip pencil here. This is a lip pencil by Mars. It is very, very cheap. You get a set of 10 lip liners. And I feel that this like each lip liner is around 49 to 50 rupees. No, it's around 69 rupees, and I see that probably around 500 rupees you get a set of 10 lip liners. I'm using the shade Peachy Glow. This is by Mars. It is called Edge of Desire lip liner. It's a very, very beautiful color to own if you want a nude liner to go with all your nude lipsticks. This is peachy, but it has a hint of pink in it, and it is pretty long lasting. I'm really happy with the quality of these lip pencils, and they're so cheap. I have a bunch of all these colors by Mars, and I'm going ahead with a lipstick here, which is called let me see, what color is this. This color is called Sleepover Pout, and this is by Myglamm. Okay, this is a collaboration of Karan Johar with Myglamm, and this is a very, very gorgeous lipstick. It is the bullet is very beautiful, and I also like the color. And I'm setting all of it with spritz of the MAC Fix Plus spray, and that's it. I'm done with the makeup. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section if you like this makeup look. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and comment below what is your thought on this makeup look. And I will see you soon in my upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.